Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the document and turning on the review tools. Open the file and save a backup copy. This prevents accidental loss. Next, enable track changes and set your reviewer name so edits are attributed correctly. Choose simple markup to keep the view tidy or all markup when you need full detail. Once done, make small test edits to confirm the display and colors are correct, and make sure comments and formatting changes are being tracked as you type. Now focus on working through the middle of the process, organizing edits and comments. Use the review ribbon to accept or reject individual changes, which helps maintain control over content. Insert comments for questions, then reply to them to create a clear discussion thread. Use next and previous controls to move between edits and comments efficiently. This saves time when reviewing long documents. Also, use the reviewing pane to see a summary of changes. If you need a compact to finish, cleanly finalize the document and handle common issues. Resolve or delete all comments and then perform a careful pass deciding accept all or reject all only when you are certain. Otherwise, accept changes one at a time. Update document properties and save a versioned final file. If changes seem to vanish, check that Track Changes is on and that Markup view shows revisions. Sometimes simple markup hides edits. If problems persist, restore from your backup copy and reapply controlled changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.